will unveil the whole manufacturing process for you. Let's visit the product design and design office first, where the original inspiration of the Turnstiles was born. So, is there anything worth mentioning for the design of the Turnstiles?
Taking full consideration for user safety, our device is equipped with 12 to 24 pairs of IR sensors, enabling better detection sensitivity when a person enters, passes, and leaves the lane, so as to reduce unexpected injuries. Meanwhile, the incorporation of Hikvision biometric technology offers a more convenient experience for users, as they no longer need a physical card to get through the pedestrian entrance, but would be identified with facial characteristics, QR code, and fingerprint.
When the prototype is completed, it still needs a number of tests in the Hikvision test center to ensure the product quality. Here, the Turnstiles needs to be subjected to rain tests, high and low temperature tests, packaging vibration tests, foam mist corrosion tests, and other tests. After passing all necessary testings, the Turnstiles will go into mass production at Hikvision's manufacturing base in Tonglu. There are two major assembly lines for Hikvision's Turnstile products, that is metal processing line and the welding workshop. The first is the sheet metal processing line to process the raw materials, which is a key step in Turnstile production. Here, each batch of steel plates will go through a strict inspection by the quality management personnel. The steel plates then will go through a laser cutting process. The feeding, dropping, and cutting steps are carried out simultaneously without actual waiting time. All machines run efficiently and continuously. The staff can see the sheet cutting process in real time through the display. After laser cutting, cutting material will be tested by staff through the plane inspection equipment, so as to ensure cutting accuracy. And then the steel plates will be bended and welded. The welding process is completed by robotic arms and senior technicians, which ensures the detail accuracy and enhances overall efficiency. But all the polishing processes are completed by senior technicians with their hands. So why do factories feature hand polishing?
Hand polishing has two major advantages. First, it is more flexible and is not affected by product structure. For example, polishing of curved surfaces with smooth and constant texture can hardly be done completely by machines, but always requires a final touch by metal. Second, hand polishing is highly standardized in our sheet metal processing line, with an resemblance of over 90% for the brushed patterns. This is rarely seen in stainless steel surface treatment.
The product components, after being processed in metal processing line, have to begun take shape, but they are still scattered apart. So next, they need to be assembled together. The works will be completed here, the assembling workshop. For our Turnstiles, an automated growing process prior to assembling ensures the water resistance of key components. The whole process ensures efficient and precise assembly. At the same time, the factory supporting control system and quality laboratory ensure that components meet the overall production requirements. After all the assembly processes, the complete product is formed. From here, the Turnstiles will be packaged into their various standard levels and sent to customers around the world. Having completed the journey today, I hope you have enjoyed about how Hikvision's Turnstile products are created. We hope that our products continue to provide you with convenient and safe entry and exit. See you next time.